So hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you can see this fancy design here we have, this is basically inside of the family room of the job I'm currently doing. And the reason for the extra holes is because the layout that was done before, that was given to me, was perfect, but however after the fancy stuff in the ceiling was installed, as you can see, a lot of the lights was off. For instance, this back right here. So what I did was, you can see one right here. I basically moved it into the center of the opening. Here, this design that we have. So that's what I've basically gone with in order to fix this issue that we have right now. As you can see here, also you can see the extra hole that I made here. That's the hole. Same thing with here. This is one of the chandelier. However, it had to be repositioned into the new spot. Same thing here. It's landed in the actual bottom itself, but it's more closer to the center. So I took it and moved it to this location. Same thing here also. As you can see, it landed in between. Again, this is due to the changing of the ceiling plan. So as you can see, here, same thing in the corner. You see the old wall here. Now you see the new wall that's there. Same thing with this corner here. So everything had to be relocated according to the actual ceiling design. And that's what I like about seeing this little issue that we have here. So again, for all those who are just coming into the video, please look up the video, very important. Same thing here. As you can see, we've got this fancy design going on here. My center light is smack down in the middle, so everything looks to be okay in this area here. So again, this is due to the design of the ceiling. Now we're going to the kitchen. As you can see here in the corner, I'm going to have to move these two lights right here. Otherwise than that, I might have to move these lights over also in this corner here. So again, everything has to be shifted around, it looks like. Also here, also the ceiling side of this area is fine. Back here, everything is shifted. Okay, so again, that's the ceiling that I'm currently working on to try to resolve and fix because of the different layout that the homeowner currently have. Again, these are two lights, wall sconces that was added here. As you can see, the holes that was patched off here is mainly because of that reason. In order to get my wires where I have to go, this is going to be everything is covered in here. Access to the stair. This is on the other side of the wall sconces again. As you can see, so again, I'd like to thank you guys for tuning into today's video. And for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. You can also become a member by simply hitting on the button that says so. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. So hello again and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's video. As you come in again, please don't forget to like up the video. Also, you can subscribe to the channel, or you can be a member of the channel by just clicking the link to it. And again, in today's video, what we have here is some finishing product that's going on here for the door, with all my door contacts being placed in the correct spot here. So again, this is the back of the house, and then we go over here. We have this wonderful viewing of the stairs. As you can see from it being installed, we've got my wires going down here. That's going to simply give light underneath the stairs. Low voltage wiring as it goes all the way down. As you can see here. So these are my finishing wires for my low voltage for underneath the stairs. And that's the other side of the stairs that's going down. So I'm not going to show you that viewing. And we're going to come over into the actual dining and family. And as you can see here, we've got this great design going on where the pot lights is going to sit inside that hole here. Same thing here. As you can see, as I go along here. Turn to this corner here. As you can see, the pot light is located, and then the speaker somehow ended up on this side. The center light having to be relocated. I'm going to this room here. As you can see, remember this is all finishing stuff. We're going to be finishing all my stuff. The speaker is going to have to be relocated, possibly to the center. Same thing with that window. There's one down here, you can see. So again, I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into today's video, and please don't forget to like up the live, and I will like up the video. Sorry, I'll catch you guys in the next one. So hello, welcome back to my channel, and so today's video I'm going to be installing the spots here, and it's basically for the generator feed. So because I cannot use this pipe on the outside, I'm simply going to put a junction box, transition this over into something else that I can use on the outside. This is pretty much not allowed on the outside. It's allowed when you're using when you're pouring concrete some sort. So after double checking my code book, so I already knew that. So I'm not going to be using it on the outside. So I'm just going to be prepping my box. And because I don't have my hole saw, what I did was I simply made a mark here, and I'm going to try to cut around it to see if I can open up the hole a little bit more. So this is basically an old school way of using it. I'm just going to cut around. I already pre-made my mark, and I'm simply going to cut around to make sure that I can have enough opening so I can install this connector here.